Hello again, number one, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Chris in Virginia on the most powerful 10, 11 meter, 12 meter base station out there. Chris, we got you all ready to go. Full Truckerized package, clarifier mod, high cut filter, and amp switch right there on the back. All the audio power mods, voltage regulator upgrade, beefed up power supply, you name it, it's got it. You also added the digital echo board install, and of course we installed it right here to make it look factory. So we're going to start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, got you at 5 watts all the way down, 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, 135 bird, 500 watt slug and peak. Low, just a skosh past 300. Well, we're going to get her boxed up and ready to go. It's another one out the door from truckcbsales.com. Hey, Chris, you got wise and got truckerized. Bump, bump.